Hello dears, once again welcome back to my channel. Today's topic is human brain. So let's begin. What connects two hemispheres of the brain? Pons, corpus callosum, pia mater or diencephalon? Answer is corpus callosum. The brainstem is composed of axon and vertebra, medulla oblongata, midbrain and pons, spinal cord, brain buds. Answer is medulla oblongata, midbrain and pons. Fluid-filled cavity in the brain is called as mater, ventricle, pons or meninges. Answer is ventricle. Which part of the brain controls our emotional experiences? Hypothalamus, limbic system, medulla oblongata, pia mater. Answer is limbic system. Which part of the brain controls higher level of thinking? Cerebellum, cerebrum, frontal lobe or medulla oblongata? Answer is cerebrum. Which of the following does not act as a neurotransmitter? Acetylcholine, cortisone, dopamine or epinephrine? Answer is cortisone. Which is a quick response to the stimuli that passes the brain? Receptors, reflex action, voluntary action or knee-jerk? Answer is reflex action. Human embryo begins life as a hollow tube called brain, spinal cord, ventricle or neural tube? Answer is spinal cord. What is the general name that describes pons, midbrain and medulla? Mesencephalon, brainstem, diencephalon or rhinencephalon? Correct answer is brainstem. Which part of the brain controls pituitary gland? Hippocampus, hypothalamus, hindbrain or cerebrum? Correct answer is hypothalamus. Next question. The study of the brain and its function is known as psychology, neuroscience, neurophysiology or neurology? Answer is neuroscience. Which of the following is the main thinking part of the brain? Hindbrain, forebrain, cerebellum or midbrain? Correct answer is forebrain. The brain is mainly composed of which of the following? Blood cells, neuron, cytoplasm or muscle fiber? Answer is neuron. The brain region consists of thalamus, hypothalamus and epithalamus is cerebrum, diencephalon, medulla or cerebellum? Answer is diencephalon. Which part of the brain is also known as the small brain? Thalamus, cerebellum, cerebrum or hypothalamus? Answer is cerebellum. Which part of the brain is responsible for feeling of thirst, hungry, sleep? Medulla oblongata, hypothalamus, cerebrum, cerebellum? Correct answer is hypothalamus. What is the function of hypothalamus? Heart working, sensory process, respiratory activity or voluntary action? Answer is sensory process. How many parts is the brain divided into? 5, 3, 6 or 4? Brain mainly divided into 3 parts. The average weight of an adult woman brain is about 1500 grams, 1200 grams, 1100 grams or 1300 grams. Correct answer is 1200 grams. Outside surface of a cerebral hemisphere has wrinkled appearance called ventricle, gyri, sulci or vermis. Answer is gyri. Brain and spinal cord are protected by cortex, meninges, sympathetic nerve or medulla. Answer is meninges. Your emotions are coming from cerebellum, amygdala, heart, or medulla oblongata? Correct answer is amygdala. If you like my video, please subscribe, like and share. Thanks for watching.